The 3 basic skills in darts. What is darts? Darts or dart throwing is a sport in which 2 or more players throw small pointed missiles with feathered or plastic flights at a circular target marked with numbers in order to score points. Basic skill number 1 is throwing stance. Always stand feet apart behind the throw line. The throw line or the upkeep must not be stepped over at any time while throwing darts. Face the dartboard sideways with your dominant foot forward. If you're right-handed, your right foot will be forward with your big toe just behind the throw line. Your left foot will be on the floor just behind your right foot. Turn your front foot toward the center of the dartboard and imagine a straight line from the center of the dartboard to your front foot on the floor. This will help you to keep your dart throw straight and accurate. Do not slouch. Maintain straight shoulders and hips. Some dart players will lean their upper body slightly forward over the throw line to feel more comfortable and get closer to the dartboard. This is allowed as long as your feet does not cross the throw line. Basic skill number 2 is gripping and aiming the dart. When gripping the dart, do not hold the shaft or the flight, but instead, hold the barrel of the dart with at least 3 fingers, and any fingers that are not touching the barrel should remain open and in a relaxed position. Keep your grip stable, not too firm, because darts is a game of touch, not force. Your grip should be tight enough to keep the dart in place and maintain control over it. Keep the end of the dart tilted upward slightly toward the dartboard. Do not let the tip droop downward or to the side, because this will affect your aim. Raise the dart to eye level. When you raise the dart to eye level, just position it to the side of your eye. Make sure that your shoulder, elbow, and arm should be aligned, forming a 90-degree angle, and your elbow is pointing at the dartboard. Use your dominant eye to help you aim. Your dominant eye is usually on the same side as your dominant hand, so if you're right-handed, then your right eye will be the dominant one. And lastly, basic skill number 3 would be throwing the dart. Do not move your body or shoulder. Throw the dart with your hand and wrist. Pull your hand slightly back as you throw. Use your hand, wrist, and elbow for speed, and keep your shoulders still for support. Snap your wrist as you release the dart. Make sure your wrist does not snap downward, as this will cause the dart to fly downward. Follow through at the end of the throw. Once you have released the dart, let your arm continue in a throwing motion so your fingers are pointing towards your target or down at the floor. Allow your arm to hover in the air for a moment before you drop it down. This will help you maintain a good form at the end of your throw. And finally, place more weight on your front foot as you throw the dart. And those were the 3 basic skills in darts. Thank you for watching.